Video production used to cost thousands. In 2026, the entire production stack, from recording to publishing, is available for free with one honest catch on the voiceover tool most faceless channels lean on hardest. I'm going to show you every tool, how they connect, and exactly what this channel actually pays each month to stay legal. This channel is built around free tools. Most of this stack really does cost nothing, but there's one piece almost every free tools video glosses over, and I'd rather tell you now than have you find out from a copyright strike or a takedown notice later. 1. Recording. OBS Studio is free, open source, and used by professional streamers and content creators worldwide. Screen recording, webcam capture, multi-source mixing, and direct streaming. All free, no catch. Every screen recording on this channel is made with OBS. 2. Voiceover. ElevenLabs generates human-quality AI voiceover in seconds, and for faceless channels, it's the single most useful tool on this list. Here's the honest catch nobody mentions. The free tier gives you 10,000 characters a month, roughly 10 minutes of finished audio. And this is the part that matters if you're monetizing. It does not include commercial usage rights. If your channel runs ads or affiliate links, using free tier audio isn't just a limit, it's against the terms. The realistic entry point for a monetized channel is the starter plan, roughly $5 to $6 a month, which unlocks commercial rights and 30,000 characters, enough for 2 or 3 full scripts. It's not zero cost, but it's genuinely the cheapest professional voiceover option available by a wide margin. 3. Stock footage. Pexels, Pixabay, and Coverr provide thousands of professional stock video clips, genuinely free for commercial and monetized use with no attribution required. Search directly from these sites, download, and import to your editor. This is one part of the stack with no honest catch. It's simply free. 4. Video editing. DaVinci Resolve's free version is the most capable free video editor available. Multi-track timeline, professional color grading, fusion visual effects, and Fairlight audio are all included, with no watermark and no time limit. One honest catch: a handful of AI-assisted tools, automatic noise reduction, one-click subject masking, multi-GPU support are studio only, a $295 one-time purchase, not a subscription. Nothing on that list is required to produce a channel like this one. 5. Thumbnails. Every thumbnail on this channel starts in Canva's free tier. YouTube thumbnail templates, custom dimensions, and the font library are all free. The one feature that isn't? AI background removal sits behind Canva Pro, around $15 a month, or roughly 10 to 12 billed annually. If clean subject cutouts matter for your thumbnail style, that's the one paid upgrade in this entire stack worth budgeting for. The real free video production stack. OBS for recording, Pexels and Coverr for footage, DaVinci Resolve for editing. All genuinely free, no catch. ElevenLabs and Canva's background remover are the two honest exceptions. Both have real free tiers, but commercial use on ElevenLabs and background removal on Canva both sit behind a small paid upgrade. Realistic total for a monetized channel, somewhere around $5 to $20 a month, not zero, and still a fraction of what this used to cost. All tool links in the description. Subscribe for weekly honest tool breakdowns.